In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Castillo. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently with real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you would like to become an expert, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Okay, this is going to be in step-by-step tutorial, so please make sure you watch it all. Okay, something really important, guys, is that the very first thing, if you want to earn, at least $100 per day with affiliate marketing, is actually your mindset. Okay, you need to have a strong mindset or a good mindset, because if someone else is doing this, you can actually do it as well. Okay, so that's the very first thing that you need to put in here. And also I'm putting here 100 plus because there are people who are actually doing this even way more. So $100 is basically $3,000 per month. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? Just in case that you are kind of confused, well, this is actually you. Okay, this is a customer or a potential customer, and this is someone who creates the product. Okay, so you're gonna be the bridge between these two guys. You're gonna reach this person who is having a problem and is actually seeking for a solution, or maybe this person listen about this program but they're not sure, like, well, is this actually program a good fit for me or not? So they're like, help, okay, I'm kind of confused. Okay, so you're gonna be the bridge between both of them, and you're like, hey, do you have this problem? Do you have this situation? Okay, if you purchase it, right, it is actually gonna help you, and this is actually how you are gonna be earning money as an affiliate marketing. Okay, chances are, again, that this person might have an idea about the name of the product, about the benefits, but maybe they need to listen to some kind of testimonials. Maybe they're looking to get some reviews, feedbacks, or maybe they have a problem and they don't know the name of the product, but they know that there is a solution out there. Or there are others that they don't know that they have a problem, but if you type, let's call it symptoms, right? They are going to be like, hey, this is actually me. I was not aware this is a problem. I thought this was quote unquote normal. Okay, I want to solve it. So they are going to actually do the purchase. Okay, so on the internet, there are three main niches if you're really serious about making money online. The first one is health. Okay. The other one is actually wealth. And the third one is relationships. Okay, relationships. Okay, this doesn't mean that you cannot make money with any other niches, because you can actually do it. For example, nowadays, if there is someone who is playing a video game and you have a cheat sheet or a complete step-by-step guide of how they can finish it, you can actually make money with that. But these are, let's call it, the most profitable online niches. On the health, you have weight loss. You can go to micro niche, like can be a woman who is looking to lose some weight. Okay, maybe you have someone who wants to to build some muscles. Okay, that's part of the health. Person with diabetes, that part is on the health. Okay, the wealth, it can be someone just like you who is looking to make money with affiliate marketing. It can be someone who is looking to learn more about cryptos and how they can actually make money with cryptos, or they can go to stock market and do some kind of investment, or there is someone who is actually looking for a way in which they can make money from home, but it's not related to the internet. Relationships, well, it's not all about love. It can be someone who is looking to have a better connection with their daughter, with their son. Okay, so these are the top three niches just for you to take into consideration. Now we need an offer. Okay, we need an offer. There are several ways in which you can earn at least $100 per day. Okay, so chances are that you might be thinking like, okay, I'm gonna go with a product in which they are gonna pay me as an affiliate marketer $10. So that means that you will need to find 10 customers per day if you want to earn $100. Or better, this is actually way better. You can find someone who is willing to pay you as an affiliate marketer at least $100. That's going to be your commission. So you will need to find just one customer per day, or you can go with something that is actually called high ticket. High ticket, it means that you are going to get paid $1,000. Remember, 3 times 1,000 is actually 3,000. So 3,000 is $100 per day on average. So you are gonna get paid, okay, 3,000. Well, sorry, 1,000. 3 times 3,000. So that's on average $100 actually per day. Most people are like, no, 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 no. This is actually too difficult. Okay, this is too difficult. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, everything is all about your mindset. If you think you cannot do it, you're not gonna do it. But if you're not doing it and the person is looking for this, you're gonna miss that opportunity. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, so my suggestion is go with the program that is actually gonna pay you at least $100. Okay, so you are gonna be referring to that person. So it's one person per day. So on average you're gonna be making $100 per day. Rather than this is actually a big no. That's a lot of work, and if you are actually driving traffic from paid ads, it's way harder to break even. You can go to ClickBank, or you can go to other marketplaces, and you can find tons of products. As you can see, this guy, your commission is going to be $146 and $117, $104, $148, and $149, and so on. Okay, but most people go with products like this, like, okay, $12. Yeah, it's going to be way easier. It's not necessarily easier. It's actually the same. You need to put the same amount of work if you are looking to make at least $100 per day. Okay, now that you have the offer and everything, most people are like, okay, I'm ready for this. I know that I need to find people, right, who might want to purchase a product. Okay, so most people are doing what we call the hit and miss strategy. That means that you are finding someone. It can be on YouTube, it can be on Facebook, it can be on Instagram, it can be on TikTok, you name it. And okay, they are sending traffic. Okay, they're sending traffic. This can be their own page, or it's actually directly to an offer, and they are wishing or they're willing to make the sale. This is something hit and miss. The problem with this is there is no way in which you can actually track these people, and it's actually way easier to sell products to someone who already made the purchase. More about that in a moment. So my recommendation, and by the way, guys, if you want to have the exact same funnel I'm using it, I'm gonna leave a link below, is create a simple funnel. Okay, person is gonna put here their first name, their last name, and then you can send them to the product page. Okay, and you can make the money. Okay, now that you have their name, their email address, you can actually start sending them emails. They're supposed to be envelopes. Okay, so what is gonna be happening, that this is actually an envelope, and you are actually reminding them about this offer. Okay, if they decide to purchase, great, awesome, you are gonna be making money. But if they decide that they're not gonna purchase it, you have two options. The first one, as I already mentioned, is that you are gonna keep sending them emails about this, but you can also let them know, like, hey, well, maybe that program or that offer wasn't, well, okay, it wasn't the best fit for you, but I have this other one, right, that you might be interested. Okay, so chances are that you can get one sale and you can get a second sale. Okay, but if you are doing this, there is no way that you can do that, because you're not gonna have that person information. Okay, so this is actually how you're actually gonna earn $100 per day, even on autopilot. So This is actually the way in which you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. If you want to learn everything step by step, okay, I'm gonna leave the link below so you can learn and discover everything on there. Remember, if you finding content useful, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next video.